Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am doing very well too. I am really happy to meet you all. My full name is Shuvro. You may address me as Shuvro. I am glad to introduce myself to you. I come from Kiampur. It's the name of my village. The people in my village are friendly towards me. I love my village and its people very much. I study English, economics, history and civics. I enjoy learning these subjects because they help me understand the world better and improve my knowledge for the future. My favorite color is blue. Blue matches oil everywhere. It easily attracts everyone's eyes. A house looks very beautiful when its walls are painted blue. That's why I like the color blue very much. In free time, I love listening to songs. When I feel sad, I listen to music. Listening to songs makes me feel better and happy again. I like wearing t-shirts. I wear white, black and red, blue. I often go outside while wearing a t-shirt. Also, wearing a t-shirt makes boys look heroic and smart.